guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix can't connect error on your Photos app. So when you are trying to back up your photos or doing other activities on your Google Photos app, at that time if you are facing getting this type of irritating error, now in this video I'm going to show you easy and simple methods to fix this problem. So 99% reason is this guys, if your internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely 100% face this kind of problem. So first you need to sort your internet issue on your device. So close the Photos app and check your internet connection. If you are using the mobile data, if you have the strong available Wi-Fi network surrounding you, just you need to connect that Wi-Fi network and then open the Photos app. It will fix your problem 100%. Okay, still in case you're facing same type of problem, you can try the next method. You need to update the Photos app. So open the Google Play Store, and in the Play Store you need to search Photos. Okay, simply update the Google Photos app on your phone. Just tap on update button. It will start the updating process. After update was completed, you can easily able to use your Google Photos app. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, you can try the next method. Tap and hold on your Photos app, go to app info like this, and here guys you can get the option storage. Just tap on it. From here you need to clear the caches and then tap on manage storage, and it will delete your all data if you are clearing the storage of this app. So remember one thing guys, so here are the some instruction what will happen after clearing the data. Okay, read it carefully and then tap on delete. If you don't want to delete, just don't delete, that's it. Okay, and then restart your phone compulsory one time. After restarting, open the app, it will fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solutions to fix this error. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.